Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace batteries on your Logitech Wave Keys keyboard. To do it, just flip it over and the battery door are here. Just open them like that. Okay, and now you can just take the batteries out and replace them with new ones. They need to go in this orientation, so the plus is aligned with the plus here, just like that. And now you can close these doors. Now make sure that your keyboard is on and you should be good to go. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.